Hello and welcome to UltraCare PRO YouTube channel. Subscribe to this channel to learn more about UltraCare PRO products, its services and its usage. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can fix your posture deformity which is in your lower back region and how you can fix the pain that happens due to this poor posture. So if you want to know about this, make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's begin. Friends, lower back pain is a very common problem, but many a times this lower back pain happens due to one postural problem which is called as lumbar lordosis. What do I mean by lumbar lordosis? Lumbar lordosis is nothing but increase in the curvature of your lumbar spine or else in the lower back region. Now, due to this increased lordosis, there is a lot of pressure that falls on your spinal column, due to which it becomes more prone to aches and pains, falling strain and other injuries. The reason why this happens is because of biomechanics of the body, which means that in order for your spine to stay erect, we need two groups of muscles. One is the front muscles, you can say abdominal muscles or your chest muscles, your tummy muscles, right? And the back or else your spine muscles. Now, both the muscles have to work along with each other in order to maintain equilibrium. Now, what happens is when the abdominals becomes weak, they start getting pulled by gravity, and when it starts getting pulled by gravity, it pulls the spinal column as well. This puts a lot of pressure on your spine and increases the curvature of your lower back region, which is called as exaggerated or increased lumbar lordosis. This weakness of abdominal muscle eventually leads to the tightness of your back muscles, and that's the triad where a person is now. He has weak abdominals and tight back muscles. Not only that, apart from this area, even the thigh muscles, the glute muscles also go through a lot of imbalances, and this imbalance system leads to this deformity. So this deformity is okay if you don't feel pain, but unfortunately this deformity eventually starts giving you pain, especially lower back pain. You become more susceptible to lumbar strain, you become more susceptible to lumbar spondylosis, spondylolisthesis and conditions like prolapse intervertebral disc or lumbar canal stenosis. So if you want to prevent all of these major conditions, the best way is to work on your posture. Make sure to regularly exercise and adopt a good postural habits. Here are a few tips from my end. Number one, if you are walking, make sure to keep a pillow behind your back region so that your back, the lower back region is well supported and there is not much strain falling on the back region. Number two, whenever you are standing or walking for long, make sure that you are wearing good footwear. They should not have more imbalances. Very exaggerated heels or else very flat chappals. Either of them are going to change or alter the shape of your spine. Tip number three, make sure to stay physically active. Physical activity makes sure that your muscles are flexible and at the same time strong. You can also adopt a gradual progressive exercise program for your back muscles in order to correct your exaggerated lumbar lordosis. But in days when the pain has still arrived, you can follow methods like ice pack application, TENS application, IFT application, ultrasound application and some electrotherapy modalities like this to get relief from your pain. Along with this, definitely there are medicines like non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, analgesics, etc., which will also help to get rid of this pain. So if I have to summarize, if you want to correct your bad posture in the lower back region, all you need to do is start working on prevention itself. Make sure to adopt good postural habits, make sure to stay physically active, make sure to wear proper footwear, make sure to do good exercises. Make sure to strengthen and stretch your muscles periodically in this exercise. Apart from that, also make sure to take help of some physical modalities like IFT, ultrasound, TENS in order to get some temporary relief that you require to get out of your lower back pain region. So friends, this was all about your lower back pain and lower back posture deformity that could lead to pain. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends and family members and do not forget to subscribe to UltraCare PRO YouTube channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.